All right, guys, I'm going to show you how to map and fill in half of this sine curve that's on tonight's homework. So what I'm going to do, and is what you should do too, I'm going to add in my browser here so that you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to go to desmos.com. So I'll just type in www.desmos.com. This is going to take me to the site that I can use to graph this function. And I want to graph it right here on the page. So this is what your screen should look like too if you're doing the same thing. You don't know what this sine curve looks like yet, so you're going to want to type in y equals sine of x. All right, there it is. There's your sine curve. Now there are a couple important points we want to mark here. We've got the center. We've got our peaks and valleys. And then we've got our roots. Now we could plot all these, we could just go forever, but remember our domain says to plot between when x is negative 2 pi and positive 2 pi. So I'm going to make my table over here on the left, x values, y values. I might have to use the other side here too because I might run out of space. So the first value that I'm going to plot is negative 2 pi. And I can see here that when our x value is negative 2 pi, my y value is 0. That's a root. The next value is negative 3 pi over 2. And that's a peak. And that looks like the y value is at 1. After that, we have negative pi. That's at 0, and negative pi over 2, that's at negative 1, and we also have 0, 0. All right, so I'm going to plot those points on my graph. So I've got the point negative 2, 0, that's there. I've got the point negative 3 pi over 2, 1. I've got the point negative pi, 0. And I've got the point negative, I might have to scroll this up, negative pi over 2 and negative 1 and 0, 0. Oop. So now I'm going to connect those, and I want to be careful to make sure that it curves, right? Because it's not a straight line to these points. And when it hits the root, that's where the concavity changes. That's half of it. I'm going to leave this half for you. You can see the points here so you can see what it would look like, right? Fill in your table and fill in the points all the way up to 2 pi. Because remember, it does say that your domain is from negative 2 pi to positive 2 pi. So this is a new thing. If it's not making a ton of sense to you right now, that's okay. We are going to spend a whole month doing just this stuff, but that doesn't come till the spring. So right now, I'm just exposing you to a new type of function that you haven't seen before and letting you know that it's very easy to map a function you've never seen before. You just plot in values, and then you can plot those points. All right? Good luck, guys. I'll see you tomorrow.